How to hide active now activity status on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top left. After that, scroll down and search for message and story replies and click on it. Click on show activity status. And to hide, turn off show activity status. Make sure the circle is on the left side. And after you do that, people won't be able to see your activity status and the green dot from your profile will be removed. This is how to hide active now activity status on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.